How's it going, everybody? So today here we have a classic timeless style, and that is the classic comb over with a high bald fade. So the classic comb over, the way it goes is that you comb your hair either to the right or to the left. In this case, we're going to be combing his hair to the right because that's where his hair naturally wants to grow. So first, I'm going to start by saturating his hair with water. Now that his hair is saturated, the next step is to apply some product so that the hair actually stays in this position here. What I'm going to use is some Roselle hair clay. So I'm just going to grab about a dime size amount, just enough to cover my fingertip. You really want to get it into the hands so you can no longer see the product, like so. And next, you just want to apply the product into the hair, focusing on the front especially. Lastly is just to dry the hair. I'm going to use my blow dryer at 2 speed and 2 heat. So if you notice, in the beginning, there's no form to the way I'm drying the hair. The purpose is to get the roots of the hair dried before I comb it into place. The next step is to blow dry the hair with the comb in its intended position. Alright, so this is the classic comb over with a high bald fade, done at home.